Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what's my preferred print screen utility. It was always LightShot for years, and it has been doing a great job. I mean, I'm not complaining. I think it's not open source, not real freeware, but it's free. A lot of people are using that. It has really a convenient option to upload things to like a common storage, and then you can share it from there, but you have to be really careful what you share because everybody has access to it. There was a Reddit post here that millions of screenshots are available to grab, and you can really go there. Like here's an example. You can go there. This was removed, but you can just replace like in the URL you can replace this, and if you're lucky then you find something. Yeah, here you can see that maybe these are really important numbers. I mean, I don't know what it is. You can try this the whole day and you'll find really interesting things, and I mean maybe even financial numbers from people or keywords or those things can be really dangerous if you are using that. I mean, you don't have to use that. It's not mandatory to use that with LightShot. You can also use it locally, but there's a chance that when you do not choose the right options and start uploading automatically, then all your screenshots end up here. And I thought, yeah, okay, maybe it's time to look for something else. When I was just doing some reviews for new mini PCs, new laptops, yeah, I needed some screenshot tool, and instead of just installing LightShot, which I knew for years, I did a little bit of research what could be a good thing, and what I found for me, that's the ShareX. You can find it on a lot of web pages. I mean, about 3 web pages. Like that's the getsharex.com, or you can find it on SourceForge ShareX, and I think there's even another page, but yeah, I mean that's the main thing here on getsharex.com. As long as there's not selling this web page, you can download it and you get an impression how this looks. And that's one of the big disadvantages, the appearance of the options. I mean, I have it down here. When I double click on that, here, that's the real thing. The other thing is just a screenshot, and you can see the options are all over the place. There are options here, and I mean, it looks a little bit confusing, but it doesn't have to be. You don't have to use all the options. I mean, when we look at the options here, it's absolutely insane. Capture, you have all these options here. You can upload file folder from Clipboard. You have workflows. You have these tools here. You have something which that's really important here after capture task. That's really important. Before you do anything, go here and check what you want to have. It's a little bit difficult to see all the things which you see in a frame. These are activated. You can click on that and activate or deactivate. So you can see I have 2 things here. I have copy image to clipboard, which is a good thing, I think, and save image to file. I'm going to show you where this is. Apart from that, I have disabled everything like scan and upload automatically and so on. Yeah, when you upload, you have even a copy URL to clipboard. If you don't upload, I think nothing will happen. Then destinations, you have so many things. I mean, that's the core thing of ShareX, that you can share everything, like all the type to a lot of web pages. It's predefined, like Flickr and Google Photos and Twitter, and also text and files and URL shortener, and it's insane. And you have task settings here, which you can set for the image configuration and these things. And what I suggest to do, of course, the application settings. What I have done, the pass here, the output pass, I've been using now, or I'm using now the custom screenshot folder, the LightShot. Yeah, the thing I've already set up like for backup and so on, so I didn't want to change that, and so I'm using the same thing here. But apart from that, I think there's nothing which I have to do here. You see even history, and there are so many things here which you have. There's one more thing, of course, the hotkey settings. What I have done, I have, I'm usually working with capture region. I have disabled, you can click that here. So I have disabled the capture entire screen, which was assigned to normal print screen. Now I can click on that and click on print screen. Now I have assigned the print screen to capture region, and this is what you then see. So I'm clicking now on print screen, and you can see how this works. So I just hover over this. I don't click or do something. I just go around with my mouse, and you can see that's the really cool thing here with ShareX. It finds automatically these regions, like the whole browser or part of the browser, or menus here, those things. So you don't have to I mean, you can do that. You can still left click and drag and release it, and then it's done. You can still do that, but you can just hover over these things here and then use these predefined areas, which is really awesome. And you have also this magnifying glass, which where you can see how accurate you are when you just want to when you just need a really small area here. It's almost impossible, like with LightShot, and here with this thing it's super easy with this automatic built-in magnifying glass. And for me, I think that's working, at least at the moment. I'm going with this thing. It's open source, it's free, there's not a risk that you're catching a virus finally or so. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. By the way, again, here that's the URL where to get it. I'll put it down into the description, so you can just click on that and have the correct URL. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, maybe I found something which is much easier and better and also free and open source and so on, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.